What's going on, Southeast Texas? It's David Smith. I am with Space Texas, and we are standing outside of 1508 North 22nd Street. That's Nederland, Texas. This beautifully remodeled home is 2,154 square foot. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with tons of living space, beautiful remodeled bathrooms, kitchen. The whole thing's been remodeled, sitting on 0.9 of an acre. It will be going on the market tomorrow at $350,000. So that is $162 a square foot. There are some comps that have sold within the past 6 months around this area with less land, with less square footage at a higher price point, and $170 a square foot. So this is price to sell, you guys. So please don't miss out. Again, this is 1508 North 22nd Street, Nederland, Texas. 3 bedrooms, 2-bath, 2,154 square foot, sitting on 0.9 of an acre, just shy of an acre here. It's going to be priced to sell at $162 a square foot. That's $350,000 for anybody who's interested. Before we go inside, one thing I forgot to point out is we are right behind the Nederland High School. This is a very well-developed area. The homes around here are beautiful, all brick slab homes. So the value's here to stay, and it's only rising, as Nederland is one of those areas that still has low amount of inventory on market and tons of buyers looking to move into this A+ rated school district. So don't miss out.
Nederland is undergoing tremendous growth, but residents love its small-town pace. What draws people to Nederland are the employment opportunities, remarkable schools, and tons of entertainment options. Homes in Nederland come in a variety of styles and price points. Ranches built in the 1970s sell for between $150,000 and $250,000. Newer contemporary homes built in the 2010s with brick facades sell for between $240,000 and $515,000. Nederland has an impressive pipeline of public schools. Helena Park Elementary School, Wilson Middle School, and Nederland High School each earned an A- grade from Niche. There are 3 large grocery stores in central Nederland, including H-E-B, the second highest ranked grocery store in the country. Nederland residents are extremely proud of their roots. In the 1700s, the original settlers erected a 40-foot Dutch windmill. In 1969, the structure was converted into a museum. Some residents take advantage of the Nederland parks to go for a jog or feed the ducks. There are numerous neighborhood parks, like Veterans Park in downtown Nederland, which includes a walking path and gazebo. With all of the history and current amenities, it's no wonder people decide to settle in Nederland.
For all my YouTube viewers, don't forget to like and subscribe as I continue to build out this YouTube channel weekly with new home video tours just like this, showcasing some of the best homes that Southeast Texas, the Beaumont, Port Arthur, Orange, and the Golden Triangle area has to offer. Let's I do want to highlight some of the exterior. It has been painted with brick paint that is breathable, some nice landscaping, and there's actually going to be solar screens installed either tonight or tomorrow on this property. The roof here is less than 10 years old, in phenomenal shape. It's been well maintained. The whole house is beautiful. Can't wait to show you. Let's take you inside. All right, so as soon as you walk in, you get the nice light grays and whites. All the electric has been updated with new switches, new outlets, and all LED lighting. As soon as you walk in, you do walk into the entryway, which has your coat closet. I'm going to go ahead and show you to the left. This is a large, expansive room. Tons of square footage in here, great for entertaining, having your friends over, hosting your parties, allowing the kids to come in here, play with your laundry room right off of this massive addition. I do not know for certain, but I am guessing, just due to the layout, this originally was a 2-car garage, an oversized 2-car garage, possibly even a 3-car garage that they had converted many, many years ago into additional living space. There is an exterior door right here that comes right off of the very large driveway. As you can see, I'm still walking backwards and have just tons and tons of space in here. This is a huge room. It's at least a 25 by 20 all the way. You do have your laundry right here to my left. So there is a door that you cannot see right off the camera. However, let me see if I pan around. You might be able to see the door here. All right, so there's a door right here that comes right off the driveway. But as you can see, this is just a massive entertainment area. You can come in, you can put a pool table here. You can put a movie theater room in here. We're getting some blackout screens for the outside and some nice blinds in here so we can make this thing really dark for you. Just imagine a projector projecting on the wall, have a huge entertainment area in here. Do whatever you want, but this is going to be the place where you want to come hang out. And then if I would have came in the door and took a right, you would have went into the hallway down to the bedrooms. So you have the 3 bedrooms and both baths down that way. This is your AC closet. Your kitchen's going to be right there to the left. I will get into that, but I want to kind of continue to walk around. If you just come straight in the door and go past the large room, you'd be able to open into what is your kind of family living area. I do want to highlight that this wall is the only thing that separates this large area from this secondary living space. So there's a great opportunity. You could open this wall up and just have a massive, massive living space. All right, but kept it separate just because we wanted to have 2 separate living spaces since that room was so large by itself. This is a great family area. As you can see, this is the actual wood burning fireplace. It has been whitewashed. The stones have been whitewashed. Let me go ahead and highlight that. You do have a beautiful solid wood mantle on that as well, but this is a whitewashed stone fireplace. You have lighting up in the woodwork up top. This all, it has fresh mud, stamp, and paint on it. So this is all new, brand new baseboards. As you can see, all the way down to the electric outlets have all been updated with fresh new outlets. Everything has been checked, is working efficiently. And then if you come in looking from the fire pit side, or the fireplace, sorry, you do open up into the kitchen, which has a great breakfast space, great space for your kitchen table. Right off the kitchen, tons of natural light, great new light fixtures, all LED lighting. And then this kitchen is just beautiful. So these were all solid wood cabinets, but what the builder did was they went and put all brand new hardware, all brand new doors, brand new drawers, brand new everything. So you can see this hardware is brand new on these. It is soft close doors, not drawers, but soft close doors. So everybody loves that. All freshly painted, has all brand new hardware on it. This is quartz countertop, not granite. So they went a little bit more pricey with the countertop. Brand new cooktop, brand new vent hood that does vent out. As you can see, it's boxed in, so you can still utilize your storage space on the left and the right of this. You have your brand new built-in oven. Do have a little pantry space as well here. So for some of your dry goods, cans, etc. Plenty of storage space up in here. Dishwasher. This is for your refrigerator box. It's a little over 36 inches wide, so any regular size refrigerator will fit there. And again, the light, fixtures, everything's down to the sink, all brand new. So this is a very bright and lively kitchen. Gives you a lot of space to come in, to entertain, to kind of have that natural flow where you know, the women or the men can be in here cooking, having their crew here. The other crew can be in the other living spaces and doing what they want to do. Before we get into the rooms, kind of want to peek into the backyard. So you do have the detached but covered 2-car garage, a massive back patio, but this land goes all the way back. Let me see if I can zoom in. Oh, that's up and down. Need to zoom in. All the way back there. So this is fenced in, completely fenced in, But there's a secondary gate that goes back that gives you kind of half an acre and almost a half an acre where you can put your pets and stuff back there, so you don't have them here in your front little space, okay? So that's just something awesome that I really did love about this property. All right, so before we get too far, again, in the kitchen, I'm gonna go out of the kitchen and I'll show you again, AC closet. You have your front door to the left, that's that massive living space. Again, all updated LED light fixtures. Okay, before we get into the room, I'm gonna go ahead and go into the first door on the left, which is your remodeled bathroom. You have the awesome granite quartz looking tile. These countertops flow very nicely with the tile that's in here. You're gonna see all new fixtures on the tubs. You have your soap niche in here, brand new nozzle, everything, brand new toiletry. Still the same brand new doors and fixtures here with a nice light. Just bring your own mirror. Okay, so this would be the smaller of the 3 rooms, but still a really great size, as this is probably an 11 or 12 by 14, so larger than most, okay? So tons of natural light still. Even the closets have updated LED lighting. You have your left and your right here, so a really good size closet. And this is, again, the smaller of the 3 bedrooms. Okay, so you have the 2 other bedrooms on the right. The primary is on the left. I'm not going to go into primary yet. I want to go into this one. So this one's a good bit bigger. It's still 12 foot wide. This one's probably 15 foot deep. Okay, get that tons of natural light. This closet mimics the last one. Same LED lighting in here. And all brand new fans and fixtures, all the way down to brand new vents. Okay, so lots of great details. Brand new hardware on the doors. As you can see, doors got brand new hardware. This is the primary. Okay, so let me start back over. Walking into the primary, you will notice how massive this room is. These are probably 18 inches, so we're just going to say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, almost 18 foot wide and probably 18 foot deep. So this is a very large room, just shy of 20 by 20. Headboard, everything can go right there. You have tons of space on any wall to put it. And you do have a little bit of not a vaulted ceiling, but kind of more of a angled ceiling here to give you a little bit more head space in here. And then what I do love about this is you come right in, you have your bathroom, you have your sink right here to the left. It's just a single sink. It's not a massive ensuite, but it is a master suite. But this closet is ridiculous. So again, LED lights, got shelving that going all the way around the top to add your bags or whatever may have up there. You do have your shoe racks at the very end. So it's kind of set up as like a his and a hers. Okay, so you have plenty of storage space in here. Let me see if I mean, all the way down to the angles at the bottom for more shoes, to put your heels, to put everything you need. Plenty of spaces to hang your shirts, your dresses, any type of long pants, anything you have. So very well thought out closet space. All right, as you can notice, even on this vanity here, all solid wood doors, and all new fixtures on that. Nice lighting, very great large mirror there. You have a linen closet. Then here in the primary suite, your toilet is in the doored area, which love, I'm glad it's not out in the open. And then you have a beautiful custom stand-up shower from floor to ceiling, brand new plumbing, brand new appliances, soap niche, and LED lighting with the vents all the way down to the toilets have been replaced. Okay, guys, so, and these doors that are on all these rooms, these are solid core doors. These are not hollow. They're not cheap, and they have taken a lot of time and effort to put a few little extra touches into these rooms. All right, so that was the inside tour. I do just kind of want to take you right back through the kitchen, just so you can see that again. Pantry, built-in oven, dishwasher, deep sink, cooktop, vent hood that vents out. You have a nice large space for your refrigerator. All solid wood cabinetry that wraps all the way around. So tons of cabinet space. So let's get a look from this view. All brand new LED lighting, great LED lighting for your table. But while the house is amazing, there's not too many places you can find almost an acre of land. Okay, so let's step out the back. This is the back door. Like I said, there's a side door and a back door. So side door goes right off the driveway. You do have an entrance through there. You have an entrance to get to the backyard on the other side of this garage. You have a door coming out of the garage, and then you have the back door. As you can see, this is a huge outdoor patio, entertainment covered back patio, but it's hard to even see it on the drones, as this land here goes all the way back as far as you can see that tree line. This is sitting just under an acre, guys. So if this is a place where you want to go, you can't see over here to the left too much, but there's at least a 25-foot entrance over there where you can pull your vehicles back here. You could build a shop, you could build storage buildings, whatever you need. You do have an oversized 2-car garage right here in front of me. You have all the space you need to grow here, so don't hesitate to come take a look. As you can see, you have that white paint all the way around. We are getting all the blackout screens for all of this, solar screens. Brand new exterior AC that was just put in 2 weeks ago. Okay, very large platform out here for your back patio. So you can kind of see that. They have some roses, have some flowers out here, have lots of space if you are one that likes to dabble into any type of greenery. There's some stuff kind of already set up. Looks like they had some type of storage thing out here. It was not there when this was purchased. But this land, like I said, goes all the way back out to this fence line in the back, this tree line. So this is just shy of an acre. Okay, so I want to kind of turn around. This is at the fence line. So again, this is great. You can bring your dogs out here, have them in this back part that you don't really use. That way you're not having to pick up the droppings and all that stuff from your primary yard. So that's, like I said, that's roughly a half acre. This is roughly a half acre. Just a great space that's completely fenced in, both sides, both areas. You do have a large double gate here. You have a large gate on that side over here, so you can just have your lawn guys just pull straight through. So if you just need to mow the back, whatnot, you have all of that. So just want to show this does have privacy fence on the right, and then just gated fence all the way down both sides. And you are set up for just tons of living space. You can add shops back here. You can easily pull around on the right-hand side of the house. There's at least a 25-foot gap there on the right side of the house, and you will be able to pull your boats, build a shop, do everything else you need to do to get into your backyard.